Hello everyone, I Sandeep welcome you all on a journey of self-improvement. Well, here on this platform since last few days, I am trying to create short videos on any random topic which will improve my communication skill, power of expression and my word selection. Well, in the same journey, I have another topic to discuss with you all, and it's about virtual learning versus traditional classroom learning. Let's discuss this. In this rapidly growing world, knowledge is just a click away, be it mobile phone, computer, laptop or an iPad. Well, the traditional books have given away to e-books or PDFs, and the four-wall classroom with benches, blackboards and stools have been replaced by these virtual classrooms. Virtual learning has completely changed the education in India. A student is not longer dependent on teachers, and the classroom is not the same, the typical old classroom of a school. A student can access to education or learn any concept from anywhere, irrespective of his geographic location. One can learn a concept and test his knowledge from the privacy and from the comfort of his home. Well, weaker students who used to have the fear of students in the classroom can work on their weak areas and improve their score. Virtual learning has come as a breeze of fresh air for all those who found it difficult to relate with the concept of classroom learning. With help of information technology and graphics, the concepts are explained in such a way that are far better than the old traditional blackboard model. Rural and backward areas which do not have facility of higher education can be greatly benefited from the virtual learning. Students, housewives, working people and even farmers can learn and improve their knowledge as well as skills with virtual learning courses. As said and done, any technology can never replace the involvement of teachers or the role of teacher in a student life. Well, school have always the foundation of education in a student's life. It is always a learning ground of student, right from interacting with people and to learn the art of socialism. School has much more to offer. Here in schools, students are exposed to a different competitive environment which plays an important role in building and shaping an individual's personality. On the other hand, in virtual learning, there is no such social interaction, be it with teachers or students. Virtual learning does not offer face-to-face interaction, which ultimately leads to problem in long-term education, and yes, long-term education suffers without any social interaction. Well, to wrap up and conclude this session, in my opinion, we should not abolish any kind of education system, but we should use the best use of both available resources. Physical schools and coaching centers should be there, but we should implement the smart and interactive education pattern in them. With this note, I will wrap up my session here. Thank you very much. Please rate and review. Jai Hind.